guys, Wednesday Blind Bag Collector is here again, and I got a mystery package from Germany, and I am super excited. I know that I got blind bags in here, that's why I'm opening it in Wednesday Blind Bag Collector. And you asked for shoutouts, I'll give you them at the end of the video. Now let's open it. Okay guys, this is a big pile of blind bags. I cannot open them all, so I'm going to try to open one of each. Here's what we got. We got the Rabbids, baby fillies, I love charms, more fillies, and even more. And more, and a lot more. We also got fashion cats, and that's about all. If you don't know what fillies are, they are like My Little Ponies, and they are adorable. There's a whole bunch of kinds, like witches, elves, babies, butterflies, unicorns, mermaids, and that's about all. Today I will be opening mermaid fillies, Kinder Egg Surprise, I Love Charm, Rabbids, and fashion cats. You know how I love chocolate, so I'm going to start with the Kinder Egg. It looks like we got a car. Just going to put it together. Here's the car. It's cool and it's orange. The wheels could spin. And I got two more cars just like this. Let's move on to the mermaid fillies. This is the front of the package. And the mermaids have crystals in them. Also, here's the back, and they have names. You could get Aquarella or Venus. We got Aquarella, and she is so cute. Here's the crystal and the crown. She has seashells in her hair, and a little cute tail. She's also very soft. The head and the hair. Now let's move on to the I Love Charms. It's called Friends Forever I Love Charms, and it comes with a bracelet and two charms. I love this package. It's so shiny, and I want the key and the heart. Oh my gosh, I got the key that I wanted, but I didn't get the hearts. I got the flower, but that's okay. I still like the flower. I already attached the charms to the bracelet. Now I'm going to put the bracelet on for you guys. Next I'm opening Rabbids. It comes with one figure, two cards, and one sticker. On the back it shows Rabbids dressed in different things. So I guess they're from different countries. Like this one I think is from England, and this one is from Japan. Here's a sticker. Here's this card. And here's this card. Alright. Here's the rabbit. I guess in the bag he broke an ear. I like the way his eyes are made. They're funny. Like, pop out. And he looks like he's from Mexico. Here's the flyer. It looks like you're supposed to play some kind of game with these cards, but I don't know because I don't speak German. I glued his ear back on and he looks brand new again, and now I'm going to show you him. Moving on to the last bag, which is fashion cats. And on the back, it looks like you could collect 18 cats. They have names, and they're really cute, actually. Here's the flyer. Alright. I didn't know that you could build her. I built her. She has a camera here and a hat. I think she looks pretty cool. And here she is. Her name is Tweenie. And the blind bag of the day is I Love Charms. And now, it's time for shout-outs. Yay! The first shout-out is for Annalise S.A., who always comments on almost every of my videos. So, hi, thank you for commenting on almost every of my videos. It means a lot to me, so thank you. I also have shout-outs for Rachel Aubin and Emily Young. You guys asked for a shout-out, and here it is. Hi. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to hear from you again. Alright guys, this West Day blind bag collector was a little different, but I hope you like it, and let me know what you think. Bye!